Hello students, today we are going to learn solving a basic algebraic equation. Yes, we will move on to the step by step. We need to learn step by step. So now x is we will call it as a variable, and 2x is a coefficient of x, and 2 is a 2, or you can take a 3, or you can take a 7. We will call it as a constant. We will call it as a constant. So now here, if I write a x plus 1, we will call it as a single variable. And if I write a 2x plus a 3y, we will call it as a double variable. So like that, we are solving many problems in next onwards. Okay. So the question is 2x plus 3 x plus 2. This is the one basic algebraic equation. This is the one equation. How do we solve that? In a simple systematic way. So now, as it is you can write a 2x, and then here we will consider that this is called a LHS. This is called as a RHS. So RHS, the terms are, you need to shift into the left side, in the sense left hand side. So if the x is coming to the left side, I mean shift into the left side, the plus x, it become a minus x. So next equal, and plus 3, this plus 3 is going to our right hand side, it become a minus 3. So 2 plus 2 you can write as it is, so plus 2. So 2x minus x, that is called plus x, and here minus 3 plus 2, it is a minus 1. So now x is a minus 1. So students, do we know that x is equal to minus 1? Is it a right answer? We go for a proof. So we have to take a 2x plus 3 and x plus 2. Yes, we already know that x is a minus 1. So put in this equation 2 into minus 1 plus 3, and x is minus 1 plus 2. So now 2 into minus 1, minus 2 plus 3. So now minus 1 plus 2, answer is plus 1. Here minus 2 plus 3, the answer is plus 1. So now the both side LHS and RHS, these are equal. This is how we need to solve the algebraic equation one by one. Thank you. We will move on to the second question. 8x plus 4 equal to 3x bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So how do we solve that if the equation is in a bracket form? So now here the second step, 8x plus 4 equal to, if in the equation is in a bracket form, you need to solve, you need to multiply a two term 3 into x, as it is I mean next 3 into minus 1. So 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 1 minus 3, and plus 7. So now you need to shift 3x from a right hand into the left hand side. 8x, if plus 3x is shifted into the left hand side, you need to write a minus 3x. So 4 and equal, and 4 minus, I mean plus 4 is shifted into the right side. You need to write a minus 4. Minus 3 as it is you need to put, and plus 7. So 8x minus 3x, answer is 5x. So now minus 4 minus 3, you need to add it. So we will get a minus 7 and plus 7. So 5x equal to minus 7 and plus 7, it is a 0. So x is equal to, here 0 divided by 5. So x is equal to 0. So now shall we clarify that, shall we know that my answer is right or wrong? So now we will already have an equation 8x plus 4 3x minus 1 bracket plus 7. So now 8. So we need to substitute a 0 into the x. So 4. 3 x is 0. 0 minus 1 plus 7. So 8 into 0, 0 and plus 4. Here 3 into minus 1 plus 7. In a left side, in left hand side, here there is a right hand side. So 3 into 1, 3 into minus 1, minus 3 and plus 7. So on a left hand side there is a 4, right hand side there is a plus 4. So on this equation minus on this term minus 3 plus 7. So you need to do a minus. So now the greater term is a 7. The greater term has a positive sign. You need to write a positive. So the LHS is equal to RHS is the right answer. Thank you. Okay, so now we will solve the another problem. 15 bracket y minus 4 and minus 2 y minus 9 plus 5 bracket 5 y plus 6 equal to 0. So now how do we solve that? Here 15 into y, 15y and same 15 into 4. So now minus 60. Minus 60. So now you need to multiply up both terms. Okay, so now next minus as it is you need to write, and 2 into y, 2y and 2 into minus 2 into minus 9 the plus 18. So now next plus as it is you need to write, and 5 into y, 5y and 5 into 6 30. So equal to 0. So now 15y, write it coefficients 15y minus 2y plus 5y. So write a constant terms minus 60 plus 18 plus 30 equal to 0. So now this is how you need to separate a coefficient as well as constant terms. So now next 15 minus 2, 13, 13y and 13y plus 5, and here the minus 60. So plus 18 and 30 is a 48 equal to 0. So 13y plus 5y, the answer is 18y, and minus 60 and plus 48. So there is a 12, minus 12. Why I have written minus 12? Because the greater number among these two, the greater number is a 60. For that reason I have written a minus here. So now I'll shift it here. 18y minus 12 equal to 0. So 18y equal to this minus you need to shift into the right hand side. So plus 12. Y is equal to plus 12 divided by 18. So these two terms are going in a only one word which is called a 2 6 2 9. So y is equal to 6 by 9. So again these two fractions are going in a 3. 3 2s are 3 3s are. Final y is equal to 2 by 3. Y is equal to 2 by 3. So Yes, here we need to solve another type of algebraic equation. So in this equation there is a fractions. In this equation fractions and denominator are completely different from each other. So we need to take a LCM. So 2, 5, 3, 4. 2 ones are 5 as it is we need to write, and 3, and 2 twos are 4. So next again 2, 1, 5, 3, and 2 ones are 2. Next you need to take 3, 1, 5 as it is 3 ones are 3, 1. 5, 5 ones are 5, 1, 1. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. So 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12, 12 fives are 60. So the entire the LCM is called a 60. So next here we need to take a individual fractions LCM. Individual fraction LCM we got a 10. Here also there is individual individual LCM we got a 12. So next 2 5s are 2 5s are 10, I mean into 5, and 5 twos are 10. Here you need to write a 2. X into 5, 5x, and 1 into 2 minus 2x minus 2. Here also there is a 4, I mean 3 fours are 12 into 4. 4 threes are 12, and put a 3, I mean into 3. So x into 4, 4x, plus 1 into 3, 3. And next here we need to multiply a 60 on a both the side. We need to multiply a 60 on a both the side. So 60 into, here also there is a 60 on a both the side. Okay, 6 1 10 ones are 10 6 are 12 5s are 12 5s are. So now 6 into 5x minus 2 equal to 4x plus 3 bracket into 5. 6 5s are 30x, 6 2s are 12. So here there is a minus, put a minus, equal 5 4s are 20x, 5 3s are plus 15. So shifting a 20 on a shifting a 20x on a left hand side. Left hand side. 30x plus 20 it is shifted into the left side. It becomes minus 20x, and here minus 12x is shifted into the right hand side. So minus 12 it becomes a plus 12, and 15 as it is you need to write. So 30x minus 10x, 20x it is a 10x, and plus I mean plus 12 plus 15. So answer is 27. So x is equal to 27 divided by 10. 27 divided by 10. Okay, so now we will solve another type of fraction type of equation. So in this equation, here we got a same denominator. Same denominator. So for that reason, we need to multiply a 2 on a both the side. So multiply a 2 on a both the side. Okay, so 2 into 5x plus 2 into 7 by 2 equal to 2 into 3 by 2 x minus 2 into 14. 2 into 14. So now 2 to cancel, and here also there is a 2 to cancel. 2 into 5x, there is a 10x plus 7 is a remainder here, and here there is called 3x minus 28. So shifting a 3x from right hand into the left hand side, 10x is shifted into the right side, it become minus 3x. Same as it is, 7 is shifted into the from a left side into the right side, it become a plus 7, it become minus 7 minus here 28, as it is you need to write on the right hand side. So 10x minus 3x, it become 7x plus 7x. Why plus 7x? Because in these two term the 10 is a greater. For that reason we need to write a plus. So now on other side, minus 7 and minus 28, it become a minus 35. Minus 35. So write it as it is, 7x minus 35. So x is equal to minus 35 divided by 7. So x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. So 7 ones are 7 5s are. This is how we got a equation x is equal to minus 5. Thank you. So now we have another type of algebraic equation, x minus 5 divided by 3 and x minus 3 divided by 5. So the LCM, the denominators are different. For that reason we need to take a LCM. The LCM of denominator 3 and 5 is 15. Sir, how do you know that? 3 and 5, the LCM is 3 ones and 3, no, 5 as it is, 5 1 and 5 ones. So 3 into 5 is a 15. So the equation of this denominator is a 15. Next, multiply both side by 15. So x minus 5 divided by 3 into 5 and x minus 3 divided by 5 into 15. So here there is a 15. 3 ones are 3 fives are 5 ones are 5 threes are. So write it, 5 bracket x minus 5 bracket close, x minus 3 bracket into 3. So we need to open the bracket, 5 into x 5x, 5 into minus 5 minus 25, 3 into x 3x, 3 into minus 3 minus 9. So as it is, you need to write on this side, 5x minus 25 equal to 3x minus 9. So 3x you need to shift into the right hand side into the left hand side. 3x plus 3x, it become a minus 3x. So 5x as it is you need to write. So minus 25 is shifted into the right hand side. It become a plus 25. 9 as it is you need to write minus 9. Minus 5 and plus 5 and minus 3 plus 2x. Why it is called plus 2x? Because the greater number is 5. Next, 25 minus 9. 25 minus is a 9. The answer is 16 plus 16, because among these two terms the positive sign is called 25. So x is equal to 16 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 eights are. So x is equal to 8. This is the final answer we got. Yes. So now in algebraic equation we are using another type of equations. So factorize x square minus 22x plus 120 by splitting by the middle term. So here splitting the middle term, and how do we split that? So now before splitting that, we have to write x square minus 22x plus 120. Using a quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. So a into c, here the a is 1 and b is a minus 22 and c is a 120. So now a is a 1 and b is a 120. So the 1 into 120, the answer is 120. So how do we get that a minus 22 when we multiply a 120? So 10 into 12. 10 into 12, it is a 120. And here there is a minus 22. So adding these two terms, we should get a 22. So minus 10 minus 12 is called minus 22. Yes, we got a minus 22. So minus 22. Write it. X square minus minus 10 x minus 12x plus 120. So 10x minus 10x minus 12x, it is a minus 22x. So x is a common among these two terms. So x minus 10, x into x square, x into 10 10x, and here there is a minus minus 12. Minus 12 is a common among these two terms, and x minus 10. So 12x minus 12x into minus 10, it become plus 120. Minus 12 into x, it become minus 12x. So write it on this equation, on this both the side there is a x minus 10 is a common, and remaining a x minus, so x minus 12. So now these are the middle term of the minus 22x. So same as it is here also, there is another equation we need to solve that, and 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So according to quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c. A is 12 and b is minus 7 and c is 1. A into c, a into c. A means here there is a 12 and c is a 1. Next, here there is called a 7. How we will get a 12? How we will get a 12? When we are multiplying two terms, it become a minus 7. So minus 4 into minus 3, it become 12. It become 12. So now minus 4 minus 3 is a minus 7. When we are adding these two terms, minus 4 and minus 3, it is a minus 7. So right here 12x square minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. So minus 4 and minus 3, it is a minus 7x. So among these two terms, the 4 is a common. 4 4s are 4 2 4 3s are 12x. I mean 4x is a common. 4x into a 3x, it become 12x, and 4 into 1, 4x 4x into 1, that is called 4x, and here there is a minus, and x is a, I mean 3 is a common, I mean 1 is the common, 3x minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1, it is a plus 1. Minus 1 into plus 3x, it is a minus 3x. For among these two side, there is a 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. So these are the middle term of the minus 7x. Okay, thank you.